So far, we have explored the billionaire mindset and strategies for achieving success. Today, let's shift gears and take a critical look at wealth itself. We will examine its role in society, its impact, and how it can be a force for good. The duality of wealth. Wealth can be a powerful tool. It can fuel innovation and progress. Funding for research, development, and new ventures can drive positive change, create jobs and opportunities. Businesses fueled by wealth creation can employ vast numbers and stimulate economies, support philanthropy and social causes. Wealthy individuals and foundations can address critical issues like poverty, education, and healthcare. However, wealth concentration also raises concerns. Inequality. The gap between rich and poor can widen, leading to social unrest and instability. Resource allocation. Access to resources like education and healthcare can become skewed, limiting opportunities for those without wealth. Environmental impact. Unsustainable practices used to generate wealth can damage the environment for everyone. Wealth distribution and social responsibility. The way wealth is distributed and managed can significantly impact society. Here are some key considerations. Progressive taxation. Tax systems that take a larger share from the wealthy can fund social programs and create a fairer playing field. Corporate social responsibility. Businesses can operate ethically, considering the impact of their actions on workers, communities, and the environment. Impact investing. Investing in initiatives that generate both financial and social returns can address social issues while creating wealth. Philanthropy. Giving back through charitable donations can support worthy causes and address societal needs. The responsibility of those with wealth. Those who have accumulated significant wealth have a unique opportunity to make a positive impact. Investing in ethical businesses. Supporting companies committed to sustainability and fair labor practices. Philanthropic giving. Donating to causes they care about, strategically targeting areas of greatest need. Advocacy. Using their voice and influence to promote policies that benefit society as a whole. Wealth as a tool for positive change. Wealth isn't inherently good or evil. It's a tool, and like any tool, it depends on how it's used. By understanding its impact and embracing social responsibility, those with wealth can become powerful forces for positive change, creating a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Here are some questions worth thinking about. How can wealth distribution be made more equitable? What are some examples of businesses or individuals using wealth for good? What role do you think the government should play in regulating wealth? Remember, wealth is a complex issue with no easy answers. Through critical thinking and open discussion, we can work towards a society where wealth benefits everyone, not just a few.